this video, we will explain the information being shown on the display screen as well as the keypad configuration. When power is connected to the control valve, the display screen will flash between the time of day as well as the total remaining days before the system will perform a regeneration. The menu function button is used to enter the basic setup information required at the time of installation. The Set Regen function button is used to initiate an immediate or delayed manual regeneration. The arrow up and down buttons are used to increase or decrease the value of the settings while in the various programming modes.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.